I got this at another sale, and it's for the lathe, to use on the lathe out in the shop, and it works, right? You can see that. But it's missing the holder to set the gauge adjustment. It's missing a screw there. It's missing a screw there. So, it needs a little cleanup on the face, and needs a few screws put back in place. But otherwise, I expect to be able to use it. I saw this, and they basically just gave me this. So I got this basically because I wanted this holder for the other one, and I was hoping one of these screws would work to fix the one I want to use. Alright, so I've been working on this gauge that I want to use for the lathe project, and some unexpected stuff in there. This was kind of greasy and weird and copper. There's this kind of spring ring in here to keep tension on the face so it doesn't slide around on its own. And basically my primary issue with this is the 10th wheel here isn't starting at 0. So I need to move this gear here relative to this rod a couple teeth or a few teeth, so that's starting back at the 0 position. So wish me luck. So I need to move this clockwise. I need to get this back where it would settle when the screw is in, and see where we ended up. Poo nuggets, I went too far. Now instead of being at the 9, I'm almost to the 1. So I gotta undo some of that. So instead of turning it clockwise, I now need to turn it back counterclockwise. Where did I end up this time? About halfway. Close, so close. Alright, maybe the next time is the charm. It's really like the 5th time. Let me try one more adjustment. Well, that's the closest I've gotten it yet. And a tiny adjustment of thread on there will now set it to 0. I'm going to put these screws back in. The donor screws from the other gauge work just fine. So be real careful not to hit the paint. Ask me how I know not to get alcohol on the paint. I mean, Q-tip's dirty, so I took some stuff off. Ew. Huh. How about that? It came apart. I didn't know that would come off there. Alright. Well, let's try cleaning that a little bit. Alright, I'm going to try some of this plastic and plexiglass cleaner and light scratch remover on the lens here. Let's see what happens. Oh, that was a little much. So, success. I got this gauge indicator all fixed up. The screws, one for the back and one for the face from the that one worked perfectly, as well as the adjuster to fix the dial, set the dial. So it's cleaned up. It's clearer, and you know, it's a really good size gauge. Sorry about the glare. So it's going to work well, you know, and it's sitting on the back of the lathe, and I need to be able to read it. It'll be easier on my eyes. I did get the gear adjusted so that it is set at the 0 point. The only somewhat bad thing is that the gauge seems to have a range of 4 thousandths plus or minus 2. So every time you snap it one way or the other, it sometimes ends up plus 2 or minus 2. Which, you know, is not ideal, but for what I'm doing, learning on my first lathe, my little, very non-precise old lathe, this is gonna suit me just fine. So I'm happy with it. I'm glad I bought them. You know, I only paid $8 for this, and that donor one was essentially free. And you know, about an hour's worth of work cleaning it up, and I learned a lot, and it's functional. Cool, huh?